Welcome to my channel. It's about
accessibility,
adventure,
family, laughter, memories.
one lake at a time. Hey everybody. Well, you guessed it. We're off on another adventure. This time we're going to Tulip Lake. Tulip Lake is located 28 kilometers outside of Kamloops, just off of Highway 5, heading up towards Roche Lake. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going fishing with a fellow amputee. Now getting there, you'll notice that Shrek's not in the picture. We're going in Jeff's truck, which is a Ford, and everybody knows how much I love Fords. A couple stats about Tulip Lake. Tulip Lake is stocked annually with eastern brook trout and rainbow trout that can grow up to 4 pounds, with rumors of some rainbow trouts reaching 8 pounds. Tulip Lake is designated Youth and Disabled Accompanyees Lake between April 1st and September 30th. Youth and Disabled Accompanyees waters are lakes that are only permitted fishing for children under the age of 16 and BC residents who have a disability. Tulip Lake is a small lake. Its perimeter is about 1.5 kilometers, and at its deepest depth, it reaches 14 feet. The turnoff getting off Highway 5 onto Roche Lake Road is very wide and definitely manageable from all kinds of vehicles. Now the weather today for a early September day is extremely warm. It was about 30 degrees in the sun, but had a slight wind coming from the north. Now I mentioned today is going to be a totally different day as A, I'm not a fisherman. B, I've never really gone and done an outdoor activity with another amputee. So I didn't know what to expect or anything, and man was it awesome. Getting into Tulip Lake was a little bit muddy and rough, but any SUV can get in if Jeff's Ford truck can get in. Just got to take it slow and work your way through it.
I've never done it.
When we got there and parked, Jeff went through how to tie the hook onto my rod and all the different terms and how to work the rod and reel. I bought the rod and reel like probably 10 years ago, and then my accident happened, so we really didn't use it much at all, so this was the first time to really use it. I really didn't end up filming as much as I thought I was going to, as I just enjoyed time just sitting out there casting reels and bringing in cabbage, as Jeff calls it, aka seaweed. I did send up Rudy and get some pictures of the lake and show what it kind of looked like. Now, if you're in a wheelchair, I recommend bringing someone to help you get down to the wharf. I don't know why, but the path really could be smoother getting in. It's kind of rough. Me and Jeff, both being amputees, had to take our time getting on it. The wharf itself is great. You can roll on it, no problem, but it's just that short, probably 20 feet section getting on is a little tough. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and sorry it's a little bit shorter than usual. I just was sitting around just enjoying the day with Jeff and just bullshitting and discussing life. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again.